RJD is saying secular parties should get the Muslim vote, but the problem is in your coalition, everyone is secular. So which one of you seculars is the Muslim going to vote for, or supposedly secular?
No, Padmaja, the question is very, not only basic, but overwhelming question in the sense of the entire India. First of all, whoever is strong in those regional areas, the common people will come and vote. I am not that way like you to ask whom for Muslim will vote and dividing India in your question itself. I am not supporting that approach. Number one.
Hold on a second, sir. No. If you think my question is divisive, let me quote to you what your party president and chief minister Mamata Banerjee said. She, participating on the prayers on the occasion of Eid ul-Fitr, said that all the Muslims in the country should unite and vote for the Trinamool Congress in order to ensure that democracy survives and the BJP loses. So your chief minister also urged the Muslim vote, which is based on which I'm asking the question. So if I'm dividing India, so did your CM. Go on.
She is a politician and leader of a party.
I'm a political journalist.
No, national channel I'm talking about.
Yes, sir. She's a politician. I'm a political journalist.
Okay.
She does politics. I ask political questions.
You are equating yourself as a politician. Fine, I agree.
I literally said I'm a political journalist, not a politician. But go on.
Let it stay there. Okay. But my another question to my BJP friend is, instead of thinking about NDA's survival, he is more interested that BJP more concerned about Congress Kurbani. His heart is crying out about Congress Kurbani, whereas the NDA has got destroyed by Modi itself. There is no NDA. भाई आगे NDA जाके बचाओ, उसके बाद इंडिया का सोचना और उसका बाद सोचना that how the opposition will come, what will be the equation. पहले आप सबको बचाओ, NDA को बचाओ.
NDA को बचाओ, and the organizer has written, Shehzad Poonawalla, that Modi magic is not enough. Something that you bank on throughout. तो मुस्लिम किसको वोट देंगे वो तो एक तरफ है, पर मोदी जी ही अब काफी नहीं है, ये खुद ऑर्गेनाइजर आरएसएस कह रहा है, शहजाद पूनावाला.
नहीं, डॉक्टर चरणजीत चन्नी का थीसिस भी पढ़ लें और एंथनी जी का रिपोर्ट भी पढ़ ले, तो मुझे लगता है कि those should also be taken as seriously. What we need to do, we have already started taking the feedback in what has happened in Karnataka. But having said that, कांग्रेस की कुर्बानी पर अगर हम जश्न ना मनाएं, तो बताइए सागर दिघी में आपने कांग्रेस के साथ क्या किया मजुमदार जी? एक एमएलए चुनकर आया, वो भी उसी वोट बैंक के सहारे, आपने तो उसको भी पोच कर दिया. और कांग्रेस के जयराम रमेश ने क्या क्या कहा है. अच्छा, they were speaking about Karnataka. Padmaja, who did the Congress affect in Karnataka? Not us. Our vote bank is the same, vote share is the same. One second. Padmaja, let's speak one at a time. People won't understand. Padmaja, I request you.
Okay, one at a time, Mr. Majumdar, I'll come back to you. Yes,
in a talking over each other debate. Please, Padmaja.
Yes, go on.
Padmaja, who did the Congress actually damage in Karnataka? Not us, because we've got our highest vote share in 70 years. It was the JDS, and the JDS also claims to be secular, and therefore it is this threat of CAP. CAP means competitive appeasement politics. After the Karnataka elections, what is the sur of Congress party? Muslim League is secular. We will allow Go Hatya. So there is a competitive Tushtikaran politics, because of which RJD, SP, TMC, they are feeling nervous, and therefore they are calling Congress for an intervention in Patna and telling Congress, अरे सुन, तू 400 नहीं 200 पे ही लड़ेगा, ठीक है ना? You know that Akshay Kumar meme, तेरा एक मेरा एक, तेरा दो मेरा दो, that is happening to Congress. And by the way, if this was about secularism, here Padmaja is a statement of Sanjay Raut. Muslims voting rights should be revoked. They are calling Sanjay Raut for this meeting. Should I take them seriously about the Muslim welfare?
Okay, Mr. Majumdar, respond. The reason why Sagar Dighi example is important, because that's a 60% Muslim vote seat. Are you seriously saying that the Congress's growing clout among the Muslim voters will not worry you in the TMC. If they repeat what they did in Karnataka to have the Muslims consolidate behind them, then you'll also be in hot water in West Bengal. Sagar Dighi may just be the beginning.
No, Padmaja, you don't have first-hand report or idea about Bengal politics. Sagar Dighi Congress won with the help of CPIM, Marxist Party. That is the thing, and who won the seat, that Bairam Biswas is a Muslim. And later on he says, to support Muslim cause, I have to join Mamata Banerjee. It's his statement. So that is one thing. But I will say that my BJP friend is very aptly, he said, Charanjit Channi ka kya bayan hai. I am so happy that
he could not serve the cause in Congress.
144 voters will read Charanjit Channi, then decide whom to vote. And my friend, please answer. You are so much confident that till now you could not finalize the leader of opposition in Karnataka. That shows the disharmony in BJP. Itself, NDA is not there, and BJP cannot finalize yet who will be the leader of opposition in Karnataka. So you please manage your home, manage your house, then think about other opposition parties. We are confident we will be together and give a good fight to BJP.
All right.